Hi guys and welcome. Today I'm going to explain how to start live streaming on parti.com via your PC using OBS for sure. So I'm going to talk step by step. First we go to parti.com and open my profile. Then I will start stream via clicking the button, uploading the thumbnail. I can do this from my phone, from anywhere. Title is test, description is test, category is IRL for example, or creative, whatever you like to. Next, I got my stream key and stream URL. We go next to OBS, tools, wizard, and next, we paste all the information here after selecting custom. So from above, we select custom and we paste the information we got. Just like that, disable this one because Parti doesn't support test live streams, and we hit start button. In a couple of seconds, I'm going to be live streaming. As you can see, it just disappeared. It showed me the live stream alerts. Well, I will wait like for a minute and I will be able to see myself and see my live stream working. While this is happening, I hope you enjoyed this explanation. Feel free to reach me out if you need any kind of other help. Also, if you're looking for help outside live streaming platform, you can visit my store and find everything there. I do provide remote desktop help and like a customer support or whatever you like. You can find many things that you may concern about in my store. Also, feel free to like and share and comment down below if you need for anything. Don't forget to follow the playlist because I'm going to keep posting, keep updating you about parti.com, maybe on daily basis if this series or this playlist got your interest and much support. So love you all, thanks so much for watching, see you later.